Hi guys, we are two Ains. I'm Nicole and our CASTILLANO.
I'm MARSHILYN R. ENRIQUEZ.
I'm MONTAño.
And I'm JANAH TIANGSON.
What is server core installation? The server core installation option is a Windows installation option available for Windows servers. This installation option debuted in Windows Server 2008 and is available for all recent Windows Server versions.
A server core installation provides a minimal environment for running specific server roles, which reduces the maintenance and management requirements and the attack surface for those server roles. A server running a server core installation supports the following server roles:
Active Directory Domain Services, Active Directory Lightweight Directory Services, DHCP Server, DNS Server, File Services, Print Services, Streaming Media Services, and Web Server.
To accomplish this, the server core installation option installs only the subset of the binary files that are required by the supported server roles. For example, the Explorer shell is not installed as part of a server core installation. Instead, the default user interface for a server running a server core installation is the command prompt.
In installing Windows Server, the first step is click Tools, go to Media, click Optical Disk, then click Add, look for the ISO file, go to the machine, then click New, type the name of your server. Here we name it Windows Server 2016, choose the version, then Next. Select the memory size of your computer, then Next. Click Create a virtual hard disk now, choose PDI, then Next. Choose Dynamically Allocated, then Next. Select the file location and size that is compatible to your PC, then click Create.
Click Settings. Then go to General. After that, select Advanced. Select Bidirectional for the both options. And then, click the System, then go to Processor, and check. Go to Storage. In Optical Drive, choose your downloaded file, then click OK. You may now click the Start button. In here, select the downloaded ISO file, then Start. Wait for the windows to load. Just click Next, then Install Now. Setup is now starting. Select Windows Server 2016 STD, then Next. Check the Accept License Term, then Next. Select the Custom, then Next. Select the drive O unlocated space, then Next. Wait for the progress. Select File, then click Close. Select the power off the machine, then click OK.
Now, go to Settings, click Storage, select the ISO file, then click Remove Attachment. And click Start. In Customize Settings, type your password that you use to sign in to your computer. Then retype your password. After that, click Finish. Now, we successfully installed the Windows Server 2016.